Hi, this is going to be a very quick video on the topic of locus. We're looking at the locus of points that are a given distance from a point. So let's imagine we've got a point A, and then we want to show the locus of all points that are 3 meters or 3 centimeters, or it doesn't matter, from that point. So with some observation to your scale, where you establish what distance you represent on your page to represent that distance, everything that's 3 meters away by my eye is going to be in a circle around that point. So my freehand drawing, not great. Wow, let's just pretend I didn't do that. So there you are, you get a circle, and that is the result of the locus of all points that are a certain distance from that point. The radius is the key thing, of course. So if it's 3 meters from the point, the radius of that circle will be 3 meters. Nothing much more to say about that. I hope that was helpful though. Thanks very much for watching.